Hello everyone, take a rectangular strip of cloth and then fold it over into half and then stitch one end of it. Put a rubber band into it and then, as you can see, begin to stitch it up, elongate it. Do this for the entire section of it that is available and do it till the end. This cloth should be surrounding the rubber band as such. And then take the excess pieces and then stitch this portion of it together as well. This will be the final look of your scrunchie. Firstly, start off by taking a circular sheet of paper, add lace to the middle section of this cloth, as you can see that we are doing as well. Now do this until you reach the end and now add another layer on it. This will be the lining layer. Now make small slits in the side as such. Once you do this, reverse the entire piece of cloth through the small unstitched portion that you have kept out for this very purpose. Finally, once you are done reversing this cloth section and putting it onto the right side, you may stitch the unstitched portion as well. Now begin to stitch it all through the base. That is, make multiple lines at the base. This adds to making it look like a hat. This will be the final look of your hat. Next, we'll be learning how to make this pouch. In order to do so, we will start off by taking some cloth, make it rectangular in nature. Now add another lining piece to the side of it and then begin to stitch it on as such. This will be the zipper portion of it. Continue to do the same on the other side as well, that is the other end of it. Add another piece of lining on top of this using the initial material that you have taken. Now reverse the cloth and then continue to stitch it in once more. This is what it should begin to look like. Afterwards, fold it over as such. Add a zipper on one of the sides and then close it shut. Once you are done with this, take another strip of cloth, fold it over rectangularly, and then afterwards, this is what you should be left with. Stitch it up on all four sides as such. Now, afterwards, after you have added it in, fold it over and then begin to stitch it in. Make sure that you insert it in before you fold it over, so this way, once you reverse it, it should come onto the right side. Make a small square cut on both the ends of it and then the top end as well. Now, once you have done this, reverse the side of it. Once you have reversed the side of it, take the bottom end and then the gap that is available and then stitch it together as such longitudinally. Now do this for all four of the sides. It is a reversible cloth. Next, we will start off by taking an old cloth material or an old t-shirt and then cut off the sleeves of it to begin with. Now take a ruler and then using the chalk, mark it out using the ruler. Make a diagonal line to it as well. Now, according to these measurements, begin to cut it out. Now fold this rectangular shape into half and afterwards begin to make the cut on the side as well. Make the top curved. Now take the chalk once more and make a line right through the center. Make a diagonal cut related to the center on either side and then you should be left with this V-shaped cut. Once you open it out, this is what it should look like. Fold one end of it into half and then the other end of it into half as well. Do this on either end of it and then stitch the two together. Stitch it together in the side as well. Once you have stitched it as such, stitch it all around. Fold it upwards to make it look like a beanie and then stitch on a little decorative piece to it. We have decided to stick on a little bed. Now, in order to do so, start off by folding the base of it upwards. Now, take an actual sock of yours and then take the measurement of it after folding it up. Add it onto the cloth. This will help you see the sizing of it. Take a chalk and then line it according to the measurement of your sock as such. Now, once you are done outlining it, you may take a pair of scissors and then cut it accordingly. Afterwards, take the chalk and make two diagonal cuts on the side. After you have done with this, open it out as there should be two layers and put it back. Now, take the sock once more and then trace out the shape of it. Do this on the other sleeve. Now, do this while it is open and cut out the shape accordingly. Cut out the excess portions of it. Take the initial piece that you have taken, fold it up into half and afterwards stitch it together as such. Stitch over the diagonal cuts as well. Add this as a lining to your other piece of cloth that you had cut out second. Now stitch all four sides of it together except for the top. Now reverse the entire sock and then this is what you should be left with. Do this for the other pair as well and then you should be left with two pairs of socks as such. Thank you for watching.